Very good morning, student. I hope you are well and doing your studies continuously. Today, we will study linear programming technique. Linear programming technique is a mathematical technique of finding out how we can utilize our resources in the best way, called optimum way. Linear programming consists of two words, linear and programming. Linear means straight line. For example, if we will increase the resources by 5%, then definitely we will expect that our production will also increase by 5%. And if this happens, then we will say it is a linearity or the straight line relation. Second is programming. Programming is a mathematical technique of doing the planning how we can achieve our objective in the optimum way. Linear programming consists of two parts, objective functions and constraints. First, objective function. The objective of any business organization is either to maximize the profit or minimize the cost. Second is constraints. To obtain this objective, we have limited set of resources, whether it is man, whether it is money, material or machine. So how we can best utilize these resources to obtain the objectives of the organization. Linear programming is having its utility in different sectors like defense, medicine, transport, trade, finance. In fact, it is also used in everyday activities. There are two methods of solving linear programming problems. First, simplex method and second is graphical method. I had already posted videos related to simplex method. I will put the link in the description box. Second method is graphical method. Graphical method is having two parts, maximization and minimization case. In both the cases, we have to draw the constraint in the form of the straight line. Then you have to find out the feasible solution, and then with the help of the corner points of that region, we are able to calculate our profit or the cost. In this way, graphical method works. I will try to make video on a illustration of graphical method in future. Right now, I'm just telling you the introduction or basics about the graphical method. So, in both cases, minimization and maximization, we have to draw a graph, and then with the help of the corner points, we have to calculate the profit and the loss. So at the end, I would like to tell you that linear programming is basically formation of the mathematical equation of the problem and then solving this problem with the help of the graph. I hope you all are able to understand the basics of linear programming. Thank you so much for today. Take care.